Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're pitting two 3D printers against each other, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS and the Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about price. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is priced at $375, making it a budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M comes in at $479. Reviewers mention that while the Sonic Mini 8KS offers great value for money, the Adventurer 5M's higher price tag is justified by its additional features. When it comes to resolution and print quality, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS boasts an impressive 22 micrometers resolution, making it perfect for detailed prints. Reviewers are particularly impressed with its accuracy and detail. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M, with its dual fan nozzles and vibration compensation, also delivers high-quality prints, but can't quite match the ultra-high resolution of the Sonic Mini 8KS. It's like comparing a Monet to a finger painting. Ease of use is a major factor for many buyers. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is straightforward and user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners. Reviewers appreciate its simple setup and immediate usability. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M, with features like one-click automatic printing and quick nozzle changes, offers a more advanced experience. However, this comes with a steeper learning curve. If speed is your priority, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is the clear winner, boasting a travel speed of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. Reviewers praise its fast printing capabilities. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, while slower, focuses on producing smooth surfaces with fewer layer lines, making it a better choice for those who prioritize print quality over speed. When it comes to smart features, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M shines with real-time app monitoring and other advanced functionalities. Reviewers appreciate its modern features, although they note occasional issues with software downloads. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS keeps it simple, being compatible with most slicers and offering reliable performance without the need for high-tech gadgets. Overall, reviewers find the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS to be an excellent choice for beginners due to its affordability and high resolution. However, they mention some issues with file compatibility and resin leakage. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is praised for its speed, ease of use, and advanced features, although it has room for improvement in noise reduction and software stability. So which one should you pick? If you're a beginner looking for high resolution without breaking the bank, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is your best bet. But if you're all about speed, smart features, and showing off to your nerdy friends, the Adventurer 5M is calling your name. Either way, you'll be printing in style. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on which printer you'd choose and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing smart.